Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Introduce, my name is De Agustin Leonita, NIM F0B021001. Program Study Chemical Analysis. I will explain about the review of chemistry article. Chemistry is the science of matter, its properties, structure, change or reaction, and the energy that accompanies this change. Chemistry is specifically divided into several main fields, namely 1. Analytical chemistry, 2. Organic chemistry, 3. Inorganic chemistry, 4. Physical chemistry, and 5. Biochemistry. Analytical chemistry. Analytical chemistry is a branch of chemistry that studies the theory and method of conducting chemical analysis of a material of chemical substance, including separation, identification, and determination of components in a sample. Chemical analysis can be in the form of qualitative analysis and quantitative analysis. Qualitative analysis aims to find and identify a substance. Qualitative analysis deals with what element, ion, or compound are in a sample. Quantitative analysis aims to determine the amount of a substance. Quantitative analysis deals with how much of a certain substance is in the sample. Organic chemistry. In general, organic compounds can be said to be the main constituent elements of living things. Some of the organic compounds that make up the body of living things are nucleic acid, proteins, hormones, carbohydrates, and enzymes. Inorganic chemistry. Inorganic compounds are compounds that are found throughout the universe. Thus, inorganic compounds tend to be outside the body of living things as constituents of non-living things. In general, these inorganic compounds can be identified through the periodic table. Physical chemistry. Physical chemistry is a science that studies macroscopic atom, subatom, and particle phenomena in chemical systems and elements based on the principle and concept of physics with special field. 1. Chemical thermodynamics, 2. Quantum chemistry, and 3. Kinetics. Biochemistry. Biochemistry is the study of the role of various molecules in chemical reaction and process that take place in the living things. The scope of biochemistry is very broad in accordance with life itself, not only studying the process that take in the human body. Biochemistry also studies various processes in organisms ranging from simple to complex. 1. Protein, 2. DNA and genetic expression. excretion. 3. Membranes and communication between cells. And 4. Energy transduction and metabolism. So many presentations from me. Sorry if they are mistakes. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.